The fatty liver disease are rising sharply across the country, especially in younger individuals.
क्योंकि लिवर को वो सारी चीजें पसंद हैं जिससे कि पित्त बने, पर पतला पित्त बने।
Studies out, it says that 84% IT employees in India suffer from fatty liver disease.
Experts say that the biggest drivers are not alcohol but diabetes, obesity and a modern lifestyle as well.
From fatty liver grade 3 to normal clean liver. Nice, no? Yes. And this is doable. But you know what? There is one thing most of the Indians are doing wrong, and that is why fatty liver is an epidemic now. What is that one wrong thing we are doing? We are being misled by the name fatty liver. We think fatty liver means more fat, but that's not the cause. Fatty liver means more fat is getting stored in the liver, but this is not happening because you're eating more fat. This is happening because your liver is not able to detoxify the toxins or the metabolites created from the food in your body. So whatever is left gets stored in the liver. 2, because you have high insulin or you are taking more sugar, whatever is not being used gets stored in the liver as fat. 3rd, your metabolism is very, very slow, and therefore whatever is not metabolized gets stored in the liver as fat. And of course, number 4, genetics are playing a big role in this. If your detoxification genes are not active, then the liver becomes fatty very, very fast. So how can you correct this in 90 days? First, remember, fatty liver does not mean you are eating more fat. So you have to go to the root causes and correct it. You have to give your liver time to detoxify. Therefore, in fatty liver, intermittent fasting works beautifully well, which means fasting of 12 to 16 hours, 5 days in a week, 16 hours, 2 days in a week, 12 hours, and your liver will get time to clean itself. And slowly and gradually, your numbers will start improving. Second, cleaning up the toxic load. Now, cleaning up the toxic load does not mean that you take a lot of detoxifying things. You have to remember that you need binders also, so that whatever toxins are removed, they are also bound and taken out of the body. Otherwise, your symptoms will increase. Third, your insulin resistance and sugar. So, don't decrease the fat intake, decrease carbohydrate intake, decrease sugar intake, because that is what will help you get rid of fatty liver. And 4th, cruciferous vegetables and bitter greens are very, very crucial to detoxifying liver. Make it a habit to add those at least in 2 meals every day and see your liver shining. Last thing, which is extremely important, and I don't know how many of you will be able to relate to this, is if you are constipated, your liver is not getting an opportunity to cleanse itself. So, if you are constipated, even before thinking of cleaning your liver, make sure that you correct your constipation. Phase 3 of liver detoxification is through poop. Don't stay constipated if you want your liver to be healthy. If you're still confused or you have done all of this and you've still not, got your numbers back on track, or your liver is very clean, write in the comment section LIVER, and I will share with you a liver detox plan which will actually clean your liver properly.
82 में जब कूली का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उस समय मुझे बहुत से खून की जरूरत पड़ी थी। तकरीबन 60 कैप्सूल्स और क्या कहते हैं उनको वो मिले, जिसमें कि 200-250 डोनर्स थे जिन्होंने खून दिया मेरे लिए। उनमें से एक जो डोनर था वो हेपेटाइटिस बी का जो वायरस था वो कैरी कर रहा था, और उस समय क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलियन एंटीजन उस वायरस का नाम है, वो अभी हाल ही में डिटेक्ट हुआ था, तो उस समय यहाँ पर किसी ने उसको टेस्ट नहीं किया, वो मेरे शरीर में गया और उसने मेरे लिवर को खाना शुरू किया। और वो मैंने 2005 में ऐसे ही एक जनरल डिटेक्शन के थ्रू ये पता हुआ कि 75% मेरा लिवर जो है वो नष्ट हो चुका है। अब मैं आपके सामने अगर हूं जीवित और बात कर रहा हूं, तो मैं केवल 25% अपने लिवर के साथ काम कर रहा हूं।